In this video, we will improve our understanding of the set position node by transforming curve primitives. First, add a curve circle node. I want to change this curve circle to a star shape. Add a resample curve node to increase the number of vertices. Add a set position node. If you change to scale mode by adding a position node and adding a vector math node, you can change the size of the curve circle. If you can reduce the size by selecting the vertices of this curve circle in a few places, you can make a star shape. Add an index node and a math node to select every other one. Change to modulo mode to select every other one, and enter 2. Change the count of the resample curve to 10 to complete the star shape. This time, we will use the set position node to change the star shape to a circle shape. Add a position node and a vector math node. If you change the mode of the vector math node to normalize, all vertices are normalized to form a circle. If you input inner radius as 0, it will look like this. Add vector math and change to scale mode for additional scaling. Adding an RGB curves node makes this look possible. That's it for this video. Thank you for your time.